Hello all, welcome to session 36 of Selenium Java training series. First of all, I would like to congratulate you for completing this course. Okay, so this course consists of only 35 sessions. This is a 36 session which I have taken or recorded for specially congratulating you for completing this course, guys. Okay, and also the journey will not stop, guys. You see, you have reached your milestone, okay, where you have completed a course. That doesn't mean you should stop learning. Okay, there are a lot of things that you can learn in Selenium, but whatever you have learned in the first 35 sessions of this Selenium Java training series, okay, you can start attempting the interviews, guys. Okay, without any hurdles, you can directly start attempting or giving your interviews. Okay. Now, while you're going through the interviews, there are a lot of things that you have to learn. Okay. There are additional knowledge that people may ask in the interviews. Okay. Though this course has already given you the enough knowledge for tackling the interviews in your own way, but still the learning is endless, right? We have to keep on learning. We have to know new stuff, additional stuff, and all those things. Okay. While I congratulate you for completing this course, I also recommend you, while you are attending the interviews, parallelly go through the additional videos that I have created on Selenium on top of this 35 session that I have covered in the Selenium Java training series. I'll show you everything practically, okay? So let me go to my YouTube channel, or you can go to YouTube and search QAFox. You will land here. Okay, this is a YouTube channel, guys. You can search for QAFox. And in the YouTube, if you search for QAFox, you will get this channel on the top. Okay, somewhere here advertisement is coming. That's so you can ignore that. This is the channel, guys. Click on this channel having this logo. So go to the playlist. Immediately go to the playlist, guys. Okay, let me first show you the playlist that you have completed, the course that you have completed. Okay, so this is a course, guys, that you have just now completed, which consists of 35 videos, guys. You see, there are 35 videos in this playlist. This is a full course given to you, which will allow you or enable you to attend the interviews without any problems. Okay, a project is covered, real time things are covered. Okay, a lot of basics are covered. Whatever that is required for you to get some confidence on Selenium and then get started with the interviews is already covered here. Okay, this is a full course. Okay, and also on the top of this course, if you learn some additional videos, that will add more. Okay, this is already enough, but still, if you want to do more, if you want to do better in the interviews, you see, 9 out of 10 questions you can answer by going through this playlist. But if you want to answer the 10th question also, okay, that you may not be expecting in interviews, okay, then I would like to recommend you another playlist that you should learn after completing this course. Okay, after you complete this course, relax, guys, relax with a relaxed mode. Okay, just take your time. There's no hurry. You don't have to hurry like 30 days or something. You can do it anytime. Okay, it's up to you. There is an additional thing, ongoing thing. While you are attending interviews, you just go with that ongoing task where you can refer to some additional videos and gain more knowledge. Okay, so how to go to that? Okay, again, I'll go to the playlist section where you see, let me click on this playlist again so that it will give the default playlist. And you see here, it is shown Selenium additional topics. Okay. You see, apart from the 35 videos, I created this 67. At this moment, there are around 67 videos in this playlist, guys. I'll keep on adding, guys. Okay. Whenever I feel something new or interesting on Selenium, right, that you have to learn on the top of whatever you have already learned in the 35 videos crash course, I generally add to this playlist, guys. This playlist has superb knowledge, guys. Okay. So even though you have learned 35 videos in depth and all, you are ready for the interview, still, okay, you can learn a lot of additional and advanced stuff on Selenium here from this playlist. Okay, a lot of interesting stuff. Okay, you see downloading files in Chrome browser, how to download the files in Firefox browser using Selenium and different browsers, different reports. Okay, so how to handle different stuff. Okay, like tool tips and all. Okay, then what else? You see WebDriver click versus JavaScript click. This kind of additional topics like screen video recording, handling auto suggestions. Lot of topics are covered. Gradle project instead of Maven, if you want to use Gradle, how to do that. Okay, test engine, the latest way, W3 standardization for Selenium 4, you can learn from this. Handling frames, okay. So this is better covered here than the 35 videos, okay. I recommend you to definitely go and watch this video, which has additional knowledge on the handling of the frames. Like many things are there, different type of exceptions that you may face in Selenium, like how to automate Selenium on different operating system, different browsers, okay. So a lot of stuff, guys, how to take screenshot using different stuff, not just by using Selenium, but different stuff like that. Everything is covered here. So a lot of things are there, guys. How to handle the AJAX calls. Okay. So different type of drop downs, pop-ups and all those stuff. So you see, I created a additional video on data-driven framework in detail. Okay. You can watch that. So all the additional topics, if you see the last one, like how to take the screenshots using output type as bytes and base64 in the 35 videos, the screenshots were taken using the output type as file, but you can also still take the screenshot using bytes and base64 other means. Such kind of additional topics are covered. Okay, how method chaining concept is implemented in Selenium test automation with an example. Lot of additional stuff, guys. Okay, I am going to add more. Okay, this is one of the playlists I immediately recommend you to watch after completing the course. Okay, so you have already reached your goal, guys. Okay, so by watching those videos you already reached your goal and you can attend the interviews without any problem. You can be confident, and at the same time, if you keep learning some additional knowledge on Selenium, like this is around 67 videos as per today's date, but I keep on adding a lot of videos to this whenever I come across something new. Okay, so I'm going to do more on this playlist, guys. Okay, this is the next playlist I recommend, guys. Okay, this is the next playlist I recommend. Okay, and on the top of this, guys, if you have completed the crash course, okay, of 35 days, and you are going through these additional topics in a flexible way, in a cool manner, on an ongoing way, ongoing without any specific goal. You just do it on a natural basis, like watch 1 or 2 videos per day or something like complete this playlist. And I also recommend you to watch this playlist, guys, the Selenium 4 full detailed course. Okay. So I recommend you to watch this course after completing the 35 videos only. Don't directly jump to Selenium 4 because it is Selenium 4 here. Okay. Uh, you have to start with that 35 videos, then go to the additional videos. You just relax and watch them. Here also, these videos also you don't have to watch them in a strict manner. You have to go in a flexible manner while you are attending the interview. Just go through this playlist also. These are the two playlists I recommend, guys. Okay, that is one playlist, additional videos after completing that 35 videos course, and parallelly you can also watch these videos because a lot of additional knowledge is being shared in this playlist, guys. For example, Mm, let me take you with some examples here. So, for example, handling alerts, prompts, different type of alerts, different type of prompts, confirmations, authentication pop-ups, and many more. I have covered a lot of stuff that is not covered in 35 videos. This also can be considered as additional videos. Okay. So you see Bootstrap, HTML, Bootstrap, jQuery, and auto-suggestive drop-down list. And you see, just in the 35 videos, I just covered the drop-downs or list box, something like that. But here Bootstrap dropdowns, auto-suggested dropdowns. Okay, like that, everything is covered in detail, guys. Okay, different type of date pickers. You'll get a lot of confidence, guys. Okay, so this will definitely take you to the next level. Okay, if you are able to complete the 35 videos, I already congratulated you. Then if you complete the additional videos on a ongoing basis while you're attending the interviews, and again while you're attending the interviews, if you complete the Selenium 4 detail course, okay, you'll get updated, and at the same time you are going to learn a lot more than what is covered in the 35 videos, which adds up, which will make you perfect, guys. Okay, I can say you will be perfect in attending the interviews, guys. Okay, so this playlist, if you complete, means you are very perfect, guys. Okay, you can do more than what people at the job are actually doing already. Okay, so a lot of things are covered in this sessions, guys. Okay, so these are the two playlists I recommend, guys. One is Selenium 4 playlist after completing the 35 video course. After you complete this learn in 30 days full crash course, which consists of 35 videos, immediately I recommend you to watch the Selenium additional topics consisting of 67 videos for now, but the number may increase. Okay, I cannot say when it will increase. Okay, it keeps on increasing. I keep on adding, and after that, I recommend you to watch the Selenium 4 course also. But these are not urgent basis, guys. Urgent basis is this one, guys. Before you attend the interviews, you have to complete this playlist. But these courses, that is additional topics and Selenium 4 full detailed course. You can do it on an ongoing basis, okay, without any urgency, without setting any timeline, okay. So just casually attend the interviews, and at the same time you watch these videos from these two playlists, then you will be top notching, okay. You will be doing a great in the interviews. I can say, I can assure you guys, okay. That's how it works. And on the top of that, I have other initiatives coming on, guys, okay, coming up, okay. So in the already started that initiative, but it's still there, still going on. But for now, let's see where I am. Actually, Selenium interview questions, there are 71 answers I created, okay. 71 questions I answered in a video format, but there are around 1500 questions with me. You see how much time does it take for me to record those videos. So while this playlist is in progress, I would recommend you guys to go to QAFox website. So these videos are not ready yet, but you can keep checking this playlist, okay, because I'm going to work on this for sure. So go to the official website of QAFox, QAFox.com, and here you can see all these questions are already answered in theoretical format here, okay. So they are not explained in the video format, but they are, okay. So they are there here, guys, okay. So you can click here 1500 Selenium Java entry questions, and whatever the answers are already there, just click on this 1000 questions which got answered already. You can go through these links, and for example, if you go to the part 1, you will find 25 questions with answers, guys, okay. You will find 25 questions with answers, guys, okay. So you'll see a lot of answers here, okay. So you can have video answers for most of them, but you see I didn't answer all the 1500 at this moment as per this date, but tomorrow the things may change. You see I provided whatever the questions for which the answers are already video recorded, I provided the link here. For the other things I have not provided. Up to 67 or something you have the answers, but I have to answer more, guys, okay. Up to 71 questions I answered, guys, but there are around 1000 questions which I have to answer, which will take time, but definitely I'm going to do that. Till then, you can go through these questions and question and answers, and part 1, part 2, like that, and so on, okay. So this is what I recommend you guys, okay. So if you have completed this course, these are the tasks for you, and all these things you can do on an ongoing basis while you're attending the interviews, okay. Because learning 1000 answers, 1000 question and answers is not a simple thing, right? It will take a lot of time, okay. Don't aim for completing this additional topics, okay. Don't aim to complete this additional topics before attending the interviews, or don't aim for completing this Selenium 4 playlist, okay. Don't aim for completing that, okay. You just start with the interviews, guys, and later when you are attending the interviews, or while you are attending the interviews, you can comfortably go through this playlist, and along with that you can go through my that you can go to the website and revise or refer that 1000 question and answers, okay, on Selenium. This will definitely make you good and clear the interviews at ease, guys, okay. So hope, guys, you understood whatever I wanted to convey in this session, okay. So learning is endless. We have to keep on learning. Coming to Selenium, it's an ocean, okay. So that doesn't mean that we have to be smart, guys. Complete that, as I already repeated again. Again, I am repeating that. First, complete the 35 videos, go to the interviews, and then plan this additional stuff, additional videos on Selenium, Selenium 4 videos, and also interview questions, 1000 interview question and answers that are there on my website, okay. This will lead to your better interviews and better success in the interviews, guys, okay. So fine, while you are attending the interviews, you can go with the additional stuff that I showed you in this session, okay. All the best, guys. Thank you. Bye.